Instagram is a great tool for real estate agents. It allows you to quickly share photos and videos, which can help you build your brand and reach new clients. But how exactly do you use Instagram for marketing? Welcome to Leads Agent Pro, where we give out tips to help real estate agents and brokers get more leads with their marketing. You're probably wondering, what if I don't have a ton of followers? As a real estate agent, you need to be able to reach your target audience and convert those followers into clients. And you can do that with Instagram. If you have the right tools, building your following will be easy. But what exactly are the right tools and how do you find them? We'll get into all of that in just a moment. Here's everything you need to know about using this popular platform as a real estate agent. Share high quality photos of your listings. As you start to build up a presence and gain followers, you'll want to make sure that all of your photos are high quality. The more professional they look, the more likely people will be to trust your listings and follow you, and then eventually contact you when they're ready to buy or sell a home. Take lots of pictures and make sure they're in focus and well lit. If there's something specific about a room that makes it stand out, like an amazing view or cool architectural details, try to capture it in the photo too. People are visual creatures, so it's no surprise that we tend to make purchasing decisions based on what we see. If a listing has a beautiful photo, the buyer will likely view this as a positive sign for the property itself. This can help you get more buyers interested in seeing your listing and potentially even secure an offer. Post in between work moments. If you're a real estate agent, chances are you spend a lot of time on your phone. Whether you're using it to check emails or show homes to clients, it's hard to avoid the fact that your phone is often an integral part of your daily life. But when it comes to getting more real estate clients through Instagram, you might be missing out on one of the best opportunities: posting in between work moments. As much as we all love our jobs, we know that there are also moments when we're not actively showing houses or reaching out to clients. The moments when we're waiting for coffee at Starbucks or standing in line at the grocery store. These are perfect opportunities to post a photo on Instagram. In fact, these posts will help people get an idea of what your day-to-day life looks like. This will help your followers feel like they get a glimpse into your life outside of real estate, and this is crucial for establishing rapport with potential clients. As Gary Vee says, document, don't create. So next time you find yourself waiting around between appointments or before starting a new day of work, remember, these are your golden moments. Post away. Use a tool to optimize your Instagram bio. You've got a great profile picture and maybe a few hashtags in your caption. But there's one more thing you need to do to really optimize your Instagram profile, and that is your Instagram bio. The first thing you should do when you create a new Instagram account is optimize your bio. This will make it easier for people who are looking for real estate agents in your area to find you on the app. And it will also help them understand what kind of services you offer. In order to maximize the effectiveness of your bio, you need to make it really clear what your business offers, who it serves, and how it works. You should also include some information about your background so that people can connect with you as a person, not just as a business. Use relevant keywords in your bio so that people who are searching those terms will find you when they search on Instagram. Include a link to your website in your bio so that people can find out more about you and what you offer. Add links to relevant hashtags that may be used by people searching for information on real estate. A tool such as Canva or Pablo will let users easily create your bio, save it for later use, and add fonts and colors. You can choose from pre-made templates which include basic layouts and pick out images to place inside your bio. As an agent, you know that it's important to have a compelling bio both for yourself and for the people who follow you. It's one of the first things potential clients will see when they look at your profile, so make sure it's as strong as possible. Set up an Instagram business profile. Setting up an Instagram business profile was the first step in using Instagram to get more real estate clients. Instagram is a great place to connect with potential clients and share your expertise, but it's important to do it right. You need to set up a business profile that reflects your brand so people know they're connecting with the right person. Fill out all of the information on the profile, including your bio and website URL. This will help people find you again if they want more information about your business. Add relevant hashtags and links in each post so people can find more content from you later on. You can also upload a logo, choose an image for your profile banner, and add a location to your profile so that people people know where you are located. This can be helpful if they are looking for local agents or if they are considering buying or selling properties in your area. If you've already set up a personal account and you don't want to change it, don't worry, it's super easy to link the two. If you're a real estate agent, you need to make sure your profile is set up as a business profile. So first set up your business Instagram account, then just go to settings in your personal profile, tap link accounts and follow the prompts for linking your personal account with your business account. Tag your location. The power of Instagram is that it allows you to show your audience exactly what they're interested in. A lot of people are not aware that you can tag your location in a post on Instagram. You can use this to your advantage in two ways. One, you can use a tagging feature to show a client that you're local, and two, you can use it to show the client where their property is located. If they have multiple properties and they're looking for a realtor who knows the area well, tagging your location is crucial. The easiest way to tag your location is by clicking on the little icon with the three dots in the top right-hand corner of your post. Once you click there, it will open up a menu where you can select Add Location. The app will then ask for permission to access maps or other information about where you are currently located. That makes it possible to attach the information to your post. You can tag the exact address or use a general neighborhood. Also important is you want to make sure that when someone searches for a real estate agent in your area, they find you. The best way to do that is by tagging your location in every post you make on Instagram. You can even use the hashtag real estate agent and then tag the city or town you work in as well as the state. That way, if someone searches for real estate agent and the city name, they'll find all posts tagged with that city or town and see yours first. Either way, make sure you have a consistent system so that people can easily find your photos. Respond to comments and questions quickly. As a real estate agent, it's easy to get distracted by the million and one things that can come up during the day. But if you're building a business on Instagram, you need to be on top of all your comments and questions. If someone asks a question about one of your listings, answer it right away. If someone wants to know more info about something, answer their question right away. If someone wants to hire you as their agent, respond immediately. If you don't have time to reply immediately, at least try to get back to them within 24 hours. You don't want your followers thinking that they'll have to wait days or even weeks before they hear back from you. The comments and questions you receive can be the answer to providing more valuable content to what your followers want to see. You can use your comments as a way to improve the content you are putting out on Instagram. If you give people a chance to ask you questions or provide feedback, you can use that information to improve your content. People are more likely to share something if they have had a chance to interact with it, so asking for feedback can be an easy way to get more shares. You can also use comments as an opportunity to connect with potential clients by responding with helpful advice or answering their questions. If someone asks about a specific home, for example, reply with some details on the neighborhood. Or you can even offer up some tips on how they might save money on their mortgage payments. I know that sounds like a lot of work, but it's actually not as hard as you might think. And the payoff is huge. You get to build relationships with people who are already interested in what you do. Share user-generated content (UGC) from past clients. Sharing UGC is a great way to show potential clients what they can expect if they work with you. It also shows them that other people are happy with your services and that they can trust you. Here's how. First, create a hashtag for all your clients' posts so that they can easily find them when they want to tag something else on social media. This will make it easier for them to find these posts in the future too. Second, ask your clients if they would be willing to share their experience working with you by tagging their posts with this hashtag so that other people can see it too. This will help build trust between you and your clients as well as attract new clients through word of mouth marketing. When you share user-generated content from past clients, your followers can see that previous clients were happy with the work that you did for them. If these past clients were satisfied enough with your services that they took the time out of their lives to create content about their experience with you, then this tells potential customers that they should feel confident in choosing your business over others. It's a great way to build trust with potential clients. They want to know that they're working with someone who has experience, and UGC is one of the best ways to show them that you have it. Start conversations and give back on Instagram stories. If you are a real estate agent, you know how important it is to start conversations with your followers. You need to find ways to share value with your audience and make sure they are engaged with your content. One of the best ways to do this is by using Instagram stories. The platform has made it easy for people to connect on a more personal level. You can create stories that talk about things that are going on in your life and what you've been working on lately. You can also use these stories as a way to showcase some of the cool things that have happened over the past week or month so people people know what's up. Another great thing about Instagram stories is that they allow people to see behind the scenes footage from events or tours that you're hosting at your office or home listings. You can also use Instagram stories as a way of giving back to the community. If someone asks for advice about what neighborhood would be best for them, share your best tips with them. It's important that you start conversations with your followers. The more engaged they are with your content, the more likely they are to want to work with you. Make use of hashtags, especially the location and social media specific ones. It's hard to believe that Instagram was once considered a place for people to post photos of their lunch. Nowadays, it's one of the most popular social media platforms in the world, and it's a great place for real estate agents to connect with potential clients, especially when you use hashtags. But what does using hashtags mean, and how do you find the right ones? Here are some tips. First, make sure your profile page includes relevant location-based hashtags. If you're an agent in New York City, use hashtag NYC Real Estate or hashtag New York City Real Estate as often as possible. Second, add more general terms like hashtag real estate agent or hashtag real estate management so that people searching those terms will find your profile too. Third, include any other relevant keywords that might help people find you. Just don't go overboard and make it look like spam. You can use up to 30 hashtags per post, so make sure you are using the most relevant ones. Hashtags help your post show up in searches for topics that are related to your business. Instagram can be an effective marketing tool when used strategically. This is super important because it's not enough to just post a few photos and hope for the best. You need to know what you're aiming for and how to get there. Here are some tips for using Instagram to get more real estate clients. Use the right hashtags. This is probably the most important tip of all. Hashtags are how people find your content on Instagram, so make sure you use relevant ones that people are actually searching for. Don't just throw everything in there. You'll end up looking spammy and will annoy potential clients who don't want to see irrelevant posts from other businesses. Post regularly. The key to using Instagram for real estate marketing is consistency. You need to post frequently and consistently, especially if you want your followers to see your posts in their feeds. If you're posting once a week or once every other week, it's unlikely that your followers will see most of your posts. We recommend posting at least once per day and trying to post multiple times per week if possible, especially on the weekends. To make sure this happens, have a schedule for posting and stick to it as closely as possible. Post great content. This is a no-brainer. If your posts aren't good, people won't want to follow them or engage with them. Take lots of pictures and write captivating captions. Take as many high-quality photos of your listings as possible. When people browse through their Instagram feeds and see pictures like these, they will want to stop by your listing in person. Post the latest news about your listing, such as price changes or new features. This will help keep potential buyers interested in what you have available at any given moment. When it comes down to it, Instagram is a powerful tool that can help you grow your business. It's important not to get caught up in the numbers and analytics of your posts. They should be used as a way to connect with your audience and build relationships rather than just promote products or services. If you follow these tips, your engagement will increase and you'll see more people contacting you about buying homes. We hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and subscribe below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future videos as they come out. Our goal here at Lead Agent Pro is to bring useful marketing tips for real estate agents and brokers that can be implemented right away. See you in the next video.